When you walk into your big box store, whether or not it's Home Depot, Lowe's, or Menards, there's a huge wall of fertilizer. Well, which one do you pick? In my opinion, the best big box store fertilizer is from Stay Green. This is a natural fertilizer. And I'm going to show you guys a test area. We're going to put some down. I've already used this back in the summer, and in 24 years of living here, it's probably the greenest my grass has ever been. So I'm going to do some recording and some testing, show you guys how well this product works. So I want to show you a close-up of the bag. So if you go into your local Lowe's, you'll know what you're looking for. Lowe's is the only one that I've been able to find this at. It's made by Stay Green. It's in a blue bag. It's their natural fertilizer. It's a 2-in-1 slow release plus soil conditioner. And if we take a look at the back of the bag under the analysis, the total nitrogen is 16%. That's what's going to make your grass really green. So if we take a look at the back of the bag under the application settings, I have a Scott's Edge Guard, setting 6. So that's what I'm going to turn my dial to. And here's a close-up look at the fertilizer. Let's look at all those pearls of love. About 22,000 square feet of grass. So it takes me about 4 bags of this per application. Alright, so this is our test area of the Stay Green fertilizer. I'm going to bring the camera down close so you guys can see just how dark and lush this grass is just after 3 days. Well, the next time you're at the big box store and you just want to grab everything in one stop, maybe you need nuts and bolts, maybe some lumber, maybe a yard rake, you might as well pick up some of this fertilizer. This is the best big box store fertilizer you can get. I've only seen it at Lowe's. I've not seen it at any other big box stores. At Lowe's right now runs around $24.99 a bag. On sale, sometimes you can catch it for $21.99 a bag. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.